Here's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function, and it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, driver and passenger front and seat-mounted airbags, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.